Oh. In this series, we are going to start a famous old stories. Listen from our grandsires. Today, here is the story of Tarzan. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who was abandoned in the middle of the jungle. His name was Tarzan. This boy, whose real name was John, had survived a plane crash and was left alone in the jungle. His parents had died in the crash, and he was left helpless in the wild. In the jungle, Tarzan had to learn new ways to survive. He learned the language of the animals and began to live with them. He became part of a group of monkeys and learned to swing swiftly between the trees. With his strength and agility, he became the king of the jungle. One day, another human arrived in the jungle, a scientist named Jane. Jane and the people who came with her were exploring the secrets of the jungle. When Tarzan saw Jane, he realized that she was different. Jane tried to talk to him, and for the first time, Tarzan learned about humans. Tarzan and Jane became friends, and Jane shared her knowledge about the human world with Tarzan. However, when some outsiders tried to interfere with Tarzan's life, Tarzan fought back with his animal companions. Tarzan learned that in the jungle, not only strength, but also wisdom and friendship could make the world better. In this way, he continued to live as the king of the jungle, alongside his animal friends and new human friends. This story teaches us that love, friendship, and understanding between humans and animals are the key to making the world a better place for everyone.